Welcome to Board of Friends Get Together. I am Anusha Christoph. My program theory contains friendship, care, help, unity, solutions, and peace. Today I am celebrating my birthday, 27th of November. In this good day, I wanted to give some good thoughts to you to make you to feel glad inside your hearts. I am interested to explain you all about my program theory in today's great day. My program will help you all to live a human life in the environment. Many people ask me that why I have created my program. My aim is that my program will help you to build good understanding among friends. It will increase your helping ability, gladness, meeting up with friends in coming up months, smartness in work life. Watching a new program will show your growth in human nature, resolving your problems with friends, helping ability. Friend circle will show their growth in unity graph. All good friends will feel peace in the environment. Now I will explain my program Board of Friends Get Together theory in a short brief definition. Please watch my program Board of Friends Get Together every month because I schedule number of concepts to you all. My program will help you all to live a great nature life in the environment. My program Board of Friends Get Together mainly focus to help to build friendship, care, help, unity, solutions and peace. Now I will speak about my program Board of Friends Get Together theory in coming up weeks. Thanks a lot for logging to my birthday party program. First topic I'm going to discuss about is friendship. How many people have contacted with their school days friendship or university days friendship in today's generations? If you do not have a contact with your school days friendship or university day friendship, it's alright. You don't need to worry about it. What you can do is to get closer with your today's good contacts, friendships. If you do not have a friend, it looks like a dead life. How to build a good understanding friendship in your friend circle. If you have a quarrel with your friend, what you can do is immediately, without any delay, speak to your friend and try to explain the basic problem. Then the person will get to know about friendship profits. Do you have a friend to share about life stories? It's good that if you have a friend in your life because in today's world, everybody should have a friend, it's a must. But still, if you think that you don't need to have a friend, then you can share your life stories with your family members like mother, father or siblings. Is it tough to make real friendship? Yes, obviously, it's tough to make a real friendship because if you share your basic stories with your friends, it might go to your classmates who are not in your friends group. For example, if you tell your life stories to your friend, and if she spread to another person without keeping secretly in herself, this is called unreal friendship. In this situation, you cannot believe your friend, so in this time, you are getting into very tough, unreal friendship. How to correct your friends? Today's friendship correct covered up with good friendships and bad friendships. If you friends did a wrong to you, such as spreading incorrect news about you, in this situation, what you can do is you should speak to a particular and friend and then describe about the incorrect situation, advise her or him that not to spread incorrect news, then correct your friend, so you will get into the good friendships. What is real friendships? Real friendship defines if you tell a secret to your friend, is that secret kept secret? That is called real friendship. In real friendship, a friend will not expect anything. She or he will provide a great friendship to a friend. Okay, now I'm feeling so tired. I will take a small interval right now. Please wait, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. The second topic that I'm going to discuss about now is care. Have you realized that you didn't receive a care from your friends? If your friend is not considerate about you, then you get to know that your friend is not care about you. So in this situation, you need to drop out your friendship, then search for a new friendship circle in the environment. In simple words, how you define care? Care defines your friend will react towards you in a good track sense. It means she or he will show you the correct path to your life by giving you correct advices or will help you further for future activities in the environment. How do you care about your friends? Your friends shows their 100% friendship to their friends in today's generations. Good friends shows their care by giving gifts, meeting up their friends, providing solutions. If they are in problems, keeping up secrets among friends. So, what is a profitable sense if it comes to care or friendship? Care, if your friend is providing you care among friends circle, that means you are the one of the best person in the earth, because in your life your parents will show care towards you, and in the same time if your friend is also showing care, that means you are the one of the best person in the earth. The profitable sense is that your friend will feel energy if you give care towards your friends. What do you think about care in the environment? In your friendship life, care runs an important role in the environment. In day-to-day life, if your friend is in a problematic situation, if you provide an advice to solve your friend's problems, that is also comes under care in the environment. Okay, now I'm going to take a short interval again, but please wait, stay tuned on my program. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. The third topic that I'm going to discuss about now is help. What is help? Help defines if your friend is in need and she or he needs an immediate solution. In this situation, if you provide an immediate solution, this is called help. What is the benefits if you help your friends? Your friends will help you back if you help your friends. Your friend will feel a great friendship. Helping your friends will show growth in human ability. In your friend circle, all friends will feel plus point to have a friend like you. If you receive a help from your friends, somehow you will feel energy to your soul. If your friend is in critical situation, will you help your friend? Yes, all people should have help their friends. All people should help their friends. If your friend is in critical stage, for example, if your friend faced an accident, immediately you should visit to a hospital where your friend has hospitalized. Then you have to provide an immediate help to your friends. How you explain help in today's generation? Help is most an important nature in human life. Helping your friends will show that you are a worthy person to live a life in today's generation. If you help your friend, it will reflect to your life. That means even if you need a help, the person will help you back in today's generation. If a person is poor, will you make friendship and help her or him on friendship? Yes, all persons should make friendship. In friendship, there is no rich or poor. So what you can do is all human beings should make friendship and help her or him on friendship. Now I'm going to take a small interval again because again I'm feeling tired. Please wait, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. The fourth topic that I'm going to discuss about is unity. Describe unity. Unity defines if you are in a friends gang, all friends come together in a group and make a single decision, also keep up peace in the group called unity. How much percentage will you give on friendship in today's situation? In today's situation, it will give 90% of friendship. I have seen on every friendships, there is splits inside the group. So all people should work hard to get successful on their friendship gang. What you do to make unity in your friendship? All people have to make unity in their friendship. What you can do is if you have an opinion, you can share with your friends group, then describes together about the opinion. This is how you make unity in your friendship. What is the benefits that you will get if you have unity in your friendship? You will feel peace in your friendship. you will get into decision making ability. All friends will feel peace, great friendship. If you make unity, you will teach a unity environment in the society. What you expect if you make unity in your friendship? I expect a healthy life in the environment. All friends will feel unity minded in the friend circle. You will feel the presence of glad. Taking unity based decision will lead to give a peace in the friends camp. Friends, I'm going to take another interval. Please wait, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. The fifth topic that I'm going to discuss about is solutions. Define solution in your way of definition on friendship. If your friend is in problematic situation, if you provide an advice to get out of the problem, this is defined as solutions. How you help your friend? By giving solutions. If your friend is having a plan to do an event, and if you provide an ideas to make that an event more grand, this is also considered as solutions. If your friend is in a bad situation, and in this situation if you give your own decision to solve your friend's problems, this is the way you help your friend by providing solutions in the friend circle. Do you ask for solutions in your friendship? Yes, all people should ask for a solution in their friendship. Because if you are taking your own decisions, sometimes it might go to wrong decisions. What you can do is whenever you wanted to take decision on friendship, just be with your friends group and take decisions together. Do not take back step to ask for a solution from your friends. If you give solution in your friend circle, will they take in a positive way? Yes, if you give solution, they have to take in a positive way. If you find that your solutions are not going in a positive way, what you can do is you have to leave your friend circle and find some new friends group to make yourself happy. How you place solutions in your friends group? Solution is very an important theory on friendship. In everybody's friendship, if you want to give a good solution to your friend, then you need to have a shape up friendship with your friends. So whatever you provide, a solution will take awesome place in your friends group. What are the types of solutions is stated in the friendship circle? Happy solutions and sad solutions. If your friend is about to start a program like school or university program, and in this time if you give a solution to start a program, this comes under happy solutions. And sad solutions, in your friends group, if there is a fight between two friends, and in this situation if you provide solutions to your friend that about not to fight in the friends group, this comes under sad solutions. Okay friends, now I'm going to take a small interval again because again I'm feeling so tired. Please wait, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for staying tuned. The last topic that I'm going to discuss about is peace. How you handle your friend circle using peace concepts on friendship. Silent. Delete aggressive contacts on your friends list. Stop talking with fighting friends. Do not mingle with bad friends. Not to take part in jealousy friends' parties. And patience. What is peace? Peace defines a good behavior which carried on by a person on friendship. Also, if there is a fight in your friend circle, if you provide a solution to stop the fight in your friends group, this is called peace. Do you think that peace is an important theory on friendship? Yes, peace is an important theory on friendship because if you do not have peace in your friends group, you cannot be a good friend with your friends. Always have a peace in your friends group. If you do not have a peace in your mind, still can you be a good friend with your friends? Yes. If you do not have a peace in your mind, still you can have a friend circle. In this situation, what you can do is you have to participate in fitness courses or read storybooks or go for a morning walks. Also, having a peaceful friend will automatically gives you a great peace inside your soul. You should have a friend to at least make you happy in your lifetime. How you explain your friend to have a peace in your friend circle? If your friend is a fighter for small unnecessary situations, what you can do is you have to advise your friend to have peace in her or his self, so your friend will get to know about it and she or he will change his or her self according to your friend's wish and your wish also. This is called true friendship. If your friend does not change her or his behavior, then you need to have a distance with your friend and search for a new friend in the environment. How you have continuous peace in your friend circle? Do not move with bad friends. Ask your friends to follow peace in their self. Always do fitness exercise activities. Have great meeting ups. Talk to your friends regularly through phone calls. Treat your friends once in a year during festive season and send greeting cards, wishes to your friends. Always be kind with your friends. I am logging out for now, friends. I will see you next episode of Board of Friends Get Together. I am glad to present a program to y'all. Be in touch with good friends. Stay away from bad friends. Meet your friends in occasional times. Be kind to everyone. God bless you. I am Anusha Christoph.